How to see secret conversations on Messenger. So the way that you can so what you're gonna do is you have to go hit your messenger, right? Now what you're gonna do next is to search for that specific person or to the specific chat that you want to have or to see your secret conversation with. And then for example, this person, this chat. So click on the chat's name here or that person's name. Then here on more actions, you will see a lot of options. You'll see create group chat with this person, view media files and links. So you just have to go through that and go here to your go to secret conversation. And if you click on that, you will be led or you will be able to see your secret conversation with that person on your messenger and basically just chat it there if you want to converse back again to that specific. And basically, that is it. That is how you see secret conversations in Messenger. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.